Guys, today is for exhaust. My friend still here, probably he back to Poland, probably. So he is very good welder. That I'm decide do flexi, do join. Problem is that in the car be big job, but now first I'm try split the exhaust. Don't know why it is two clamp. We see anyway that clamp it's no exist. We have to cut. Then we have to clean this one and make a nice join to another one, measure and order. We see how much we make. Hope I'm go to front and do something in the car to remove rest from engine, but we see how going on this moment. That one place clamp no exist. Yeah, take off the hand. That one maybe cut. We see how catalytic it is moving, what make me happy. Yeah, start do this. Alright, it is fancy, like you see, one come to one and come another one. I don't think so it should be like that. I don't know what we do for this one. one is done. New join come and nice. I'm take light, put light here, so I'm see light over there. Mean it's catalytic. Maybe this is no professional, no professional thing, but we can do just this way. Light come over there. I'm see light, so it's no block. This one it's done. We have to measure and order soft join. This one my plan cut over here, yeah, then clean. Like you see, it's pipe, it's bent here. I don't want cut like that because no much meat left for pipe, you know what I mean. If you cut, then you can do join on the bend. Next one. Like you see, it's how many pipe. If I'm cut here, how many pipe gone. Better have extra. It's not enough. So. Alright guys, so join, it is 54. We have to buy, but how long this way? We'll see. We go to front now. Guys, so I'll check Elsa. It's quite tough job. Everything what we put back we have to take off. Yeah, but what we can do, we have to do that job. That bracket, I think it must gone. Yeah, Armageddon guys, Armageddon. That bolt guys, that cover is quite good. I'm so exciting. It is bolt, no Audi thing. Okay, dry shaft have to gone, and we have access for that bolt, hope. And yeah, keep going. This is not my dreams job, but must be done. Yeah, that guy must gone. This challenge to get done when it's there. Don't want no access. Okay, keep going, guys. Must be access. That was quite challenge, but from here it's just hunt. Hope I have more access for next bolt. At this moment I have access for 3 bolt over here. Hope come off easy, but we see how going on. 3 over there and 1 here, so hope that part's exhaust come off and we clean this one in the garden, put back together, and again whatever, this moment we disconnection. Alright, so the lambda it's there. I don't know, do you see? Crazy, but must be done. That side. That side be fun. Oh, all right.